On this short quick video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat no connection easily and fast. First thing guys, open the settings on your phone and then scroll until you find the apps manager. When you find the apps manager on this page, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you wanna do is scroll until you find Snapchat and then click on it. Click on this option right here and then go to the permissions. Make sure that every single permission is enabled. Go back and then click on data usage. Now right here, make sure that the mobile data and the Wi-Fi are enabled. Go back, click on storage, click on clear data and click on delete. This includes all files, settings, accounts, databases. And after that, restart your phone and reopen Snapchat. Don't forget to like, subscribe.